Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable 2FA Authenticator apps on Kraken. It's really simple and easy. To do this, go to the top right of the screen and click on the Find Security menu. Here you will find the option to activate the Signing in 2FA feature. Two-factor authentication is an extra layer of security for your Kraken account. While using Sign in 2FA, gaining access to your account, you will require username, password, and the additional passcode that is found in a mobile phone app. Click on this Enable. To activate 2FA, you will need to download an authentication app on your smartphone. Google Authenticator is a popular choice. However, there are many alternatives, some of which are free, privacy focused, and open source. After opening the application, click Scan a QR code on your mobile, and you can then scan this QR code with the smartphone. The 6-number code you see, you need to be entered into your Kraken account. Try to enter the code quickly as the key changes every 30 seconds. Once entered, click on Confirm button to complete the activation process. With signing in two-factor authentication now active, your account is more secure. Now anyone who attempts to sign into the account will require the username, password, and the 2FA code in your phone application. And for additional layer of security, you can set up your master key, which allows for a secure way for you to disable 2FA if you happen to lose your phone. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.